Hey, how's it going YouTube? It's Easy Does Tube. Today we're going to be checking out the Raxiom smoke clear LED lights for the 2015 to 2018 Mustang, and these are from AmericanMuscle.com. It took me about 2 months to get them because they've been selling out on these, and these also come in a red. It makes the car it makes it look a little retro, and they're very bright. It's really easy plug and play installation. You just unbolt 3 bolts and disconnect the power line and put it in there and just screw it back on. Very simple. It takes the car to another level. And these are available at AmericanMuscle.com, $4.99. They come in this smoke clear color and also red. If you're interested, check out the website. And thank you for watching. This is Easy Does Tube.